Hi everyone, I'm Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary and I'm back with a function called IFERROR along with VLOOKUP function. So, firstly, I would like to explain about the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP function is the function in Excel is used for a lookup value in the first column of a range and return a value in the same row from another column, and it's a powerful function for finding and retrieving the information from a large database. So this is a VLOOKUP. And also I would like to explain about the IFERROR function. IFERROR function is in Excel is used to handle errors that may occur in formula, and it allows you to replace an error value with a different value or message of your choice accordingly. So uh, generally when we use VLOOKUP and if the reference is not matched from the original sheets, and that time it's appeared some kind of error called has NA. So let's see generally when we use uh, simply VLOOKUP and what kind of errors we may face. So let's see VLOOKUP, select the lookup value, go to the table array, select the table array, here F4 you can press to lock the formula. Here you can see here like these items does not find into this sheet. So that is why here the VLOOKUP unable to find the information. So uh, it's pop up error like NA. So generally when we face such kind of error, generally we used to like this control copy paste special control H, and we always used to like this NA and replace with 0, you know like this. So instead of doing all such kind of activity and practices, so we should use if error function along with VLOOKUP. So let's start to learn if error along with VLOOKUP. if error if error function VLOOKUP, select the lookup value, go to the table array. Table array is this here, and asking for column index number. Column index number would be 3 comma 3 comma bracket comma 0 and bracket close, and you can just put here a dollar sign to lock the formula. Okay, for the actual and genuine figures. Now you can see wherever the earlier when we use VLOOKUP, wherever the NA and that place automatically it's appeared 0. If error function has removed that NA errors and replaced with 0. So in this way you can you can save your time instead with doing like control H and replacement with some other uh, words or other numbers. So you can use IFERROR function along with VLOOKUP function for a single time of returning value. So that's it, and thank you for learning, and thank you for watching. Thank you.